Bill, what are you doing? What are you doing with those beers here at MAHLE? We both know you can't drink
relax,
at work.
Alex. These are just my favorite root beers.
Okay, well, I thought we were talking about gaskets today, so what's going on?
Well, we are. Check this out, Alex.
Okay, cool. I see a MAHLE brand name and then a JV2 part number, so, oh, and an opener for our root beer, of course. But what exactly is this?
It is our brand new MAHLE Original Multitool designed primarily for scraping gasket residue from aluminum heads and manifolds. We got carried away and added a few other functions.
Well, I've been known to drink a craft beer on occasion, so I guess I like the opener idea, and I'm guessing that's the scraper, but what else does it do?
Well, we put a magnet here so you can hang it on the lid of your toolbox, and this slot right here is for squeezing out RTV. Now, don't try this at home, Alex, but it works really good.
Okay.
This knob here is for bearing down really hard on tough gaskets, and the brush, that's for getting rid of all the little gasket residue afterwards. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's really cool, but I'm sure viewers are already wondering where to get one of these multi-tools.
Simple, Alex. Just go anywhere MAHLE Original gaskets are sold and ask for MAHLE Original JV2.
Yes, Bill, and we should also add that just about every large auto parts retailer sells the MAHLE Original gaskets. Plus, at the professional installer level, many more warehouses, distributors carry MAHLE too.
Hey, Alex, I think that's a wrap. How about joining me in a root beer?
Sounds good. Cheers.
Cheers.